So a quick look at an example of a floodder. As you can see, just an astonishing amount of light being thrown all around. Let's take that one off and switch over to a thrower. And you can see what a remarkable difference there is between them with the concentrated beam on the thrower versus a complete blanket of light on the floodder. If you have another look at an example, the floodder, as we can see, there's plenty of things for that floody beam to hit, thus looking pretty impressive. On the other hand, if we move out to something with a little bit of distance, and we're shining across a lake now, because there's nothing for that scattered light to hit, it doesn't appear to be so impressive. We've got to turn back around and, you know, get some trees, things like that, before we kind of get the effect. Whereas back across the lake, and you can't see it with this torch, but we're probably about 150 meters to the opposite end there, and this is where a floodder doesn't do so well. Those trees there, they're about 40 meters up close. Fantastic. Let's just switch over to the thrower. That's about 100 meters to those trees. Those there at the back, we're going up towards 200, 250 meters. The tops of those trees there, a lot more. As we can see, the thrower absolutely concentrates its spot and just illuminates the hell out of a concentrated area. There's a swan there, I don't know if you can see it. Absolutely. You know, unbelievably concentrated spot. Back to the floodder again, just for a comparison. It's a completely different they are.